Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can remove duplicate element from your array using filter method. And in the previous tutorial I had shown you how to remove duplicate element but using sets keyword, that is predefined of ECMAScript 6. So in this tutorial I will show you using filter method. So I mostly prefer filter method. So first of all guys, I will write this code and after that I will try to describe this code how it's work. So first here I will create a array first of all, and the here array equals to, and now I will add some value like a comma b comma c comma d, and now I will add some duplicate like a and b. So guys, if I remove this duplicate one, so the output should be that one, a comma b comma c comma d. So that should be output. So now I will write this filter method to returning this output. So this array, the keyword is this array dot filter, and now it takes a two parameter. So first one is value, so I will write here val, that denotes value, and index. So I will describe what is value and what is index. And now here the arrow function, and here the array dot index of, I will describe it also why I am using index of. So index of this val means value, and double equals to index. So it should be output that one. So for that I will store this method in a variable. So the variable name is remove duplicate equals to, so I'm storing this method inside this variable, and now in a console log I will print this variable only. So console dot log, and here just I will print this variable. So now save, and if I go to the browser, refresh, so here you can see in a console log it's giving me other output a b c d. But here if I console log this array variable only, so it's giving the output is that one. So here you can see now it's showing all the elements a b c d and a and b, but to use the filter method it's showing only the single one like a b c d. It's removing the duplicate one. And if here I will show you that if you want the return the duplicate like a and b, so here you can add not double equals to index, so it will return only the duplicate one, like because here is the a and b duplicate, so it's return a and b. But our topic is remove duplicate one, so here remove this not equals to sign, and you can see it's removed the duplicate one and returning the single one out, a b c d. So guys, now I will describe how the filter method and why I have written this index of here. So guys, first of all you have to know what filter method does. So filter methods are looping through the array. That means guys, we write here for let I equals to 0, I less than array dot length. You should understand guys how this filter and index of it working to remove this duplicate element. So don't miss this video. So guys, here you write for loop like let I and array dot length, array means this one, and I plus plus, and now here if you console dot log and array I, so what should be the output here? So you can see it's showing the output A B C D A B. So instead of for loop, filter method is a for loop also. So when we use filter method, so it's looping through A B C D A and B. Okay, so guys, you understand that filter method, it's also a for loop type, and it takes a two parameter. The first one is value. So I have written here VAL, it's denoting value. You can write here value also this way. So I have written here value. And now index. So value denotes our A, B, C, D, A, B. That's one. And index means guys our I. So first of all, index is it's looping, array filter it's looping, and index denoting our this I. So first of all, its index means I equals to 0. That means here you can see the for loop is I equals to 0 and I array dot length. Array dot length means this array, and I up to going on this array dot length. That means up to that, from here to there. So first index is A, then B, then C, D, A, B, because its filter method is similar like a for loop also. So here I 0 and I array dot length. So how for loop works? First it takes a B, C, D, A and B. So in the same way, index is the I. So A, B, C, D, A and B. So index value is that. And now I have used filter used to is a for loop, and used to write the condition what you want to filter. Like here I have written the condition here inside this filter method. So it will be this filter method, it will be filter that condition, and it will return the output. So the condition is that array dot index of value. So index of return the position, so and the position of first element. So array dot index of value. So I told you guys, value denoting our this value of array like A, B, C, D, A, B. So index of and returning inside this index of I have written this value. So first of all, it will go to our A. So A's position is 0 because index of return the position. So first of all, A's position is 0, B's position is 1, C's 2, D's 3, and it will not go up to this A because it only takes the first one. It doesn't takes the duplicate one's position. So it will count the position of only first one. So A 0, B 1, C 2 and D 3, but it will not go A and B because this A and B, it's a duplicate, and index of doesn't takes a duplicate's position. So it will take 0 and 1. So double equals to index. So when it will be loop. So first of all, if I have written the condition inside this filter method, if array dot value index of value equals to index, that means guys, so it will be written the output. So that means first of all, when it will be loop, so index value, so I will write here. So index value, first of all 0, and the 0 position is A. Okay, and then index value is 1, and 1 means here B. This is the index value. So B, and the second is 2 means C, and then 3 means D, and then 4 means again A, and then 5 means again B. But guys, I told you index, this is the index means this, but guys, I told you index of only return the position of first one. If you add any duplicate value, so it will not return the position of duplicate one, it will be return only the first one. So here the index of it's returning 0. The 0 means guys first A and then 1. 1 means so it will be similar here. So 1 means B, because here is the B, and 2 means this is the index of returning the position is 2 means C, and 3 means D. But it will not go to this and this position index of, because I told you it doesn't take a duplicate, it only shown the position of first one. First one means A here, B here, C here, D here, and again A and B. So the first one A is here and B is position of 2. So first A's position is 0 and B's position is 1, not 2, 1. So it will not go here index of. So I have the condition here, if value and index of equals to, so that will be written. So here only equals to is index, and index of equals to is here. Here this is the 0 position, everything here and here, all here also 1 position, and C also is matched, I mean, or you can say equal the index and index of position 3, and D also equal index and index of, but here it's not equal because index of doesn't go the duplicates on. So that's why it's returning the output only A, B, C, D. So hope guys you understand how the filter and index of is working to remove this duplicate element from your array. So guys, if you have any doubt, then you can write this video, write the doubt in comment. I will try to solve this, and hope guys this video is helpful to you. And again I will show you the next video how you can remove duplicate element using unique includes method. So guys, let's see my next video also. So if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.